Guys, this is finally you can get it. You can get it, right? Thank you so much, guys, for your support. It means a lot. Please remember to subscribe. Please. Hey there, people. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are fine and you are safe. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. You are amazing, and thank you for your support. So if you're a new subscriber or if it's your first time watching me, welcome. My name is Sarah. You can call me Audi, and I'm a hair enthusiast. I love sharing my ideas on how you can rock your hair at home. So I'll be doing a DIY. It is my first time. Honestly, guys, it's my first time doing this twist. I've never tried twist on my own hair. Actually, I've never even braided twist. So it's my first time trying this out, and I was able to do it, and I was like, you know what, let me share with my people. So yes, so this is what you need, and I'm using the color number 1 as always, and you also need a set of rubber bands. So once your hair is ready, just going to section. I've already done the back. And then I'll just section with my hands. Doesn't have to be a neat section after that. So I have like 2. Then I'll come in with my braid and 1 band. So guys, with your braid, you're just going to place it in between the 2 sections. And then you take the hair and then you tie with your band. So you come and do a tight band. Now this method is so much effective if you're looking to do a protective hairstyle. So you are rest assured that your hairline will be spared. So you just ensure the braids are almost equal. Then you can adjust the bladder. Then you go ahead and do the fixing. So you have your two strands, and then you're just gonna put the hair in between the strands like that, and then you take your hair and then you tie using your rubber band, preferably black. So like that, you can tie 2 or 3 times or 4 times. Yeah, and then you can still adjust the braid, and then you go ahead and divide the hair into 2. Then go ahead and now fix. I find this method very effective. It's so effective because it doesn't strain your scalp, your hairline, I mean. So guys, this is how it's turning out, and I love it. I'm actually not straining my scalp. I'm just do the finishing very fast. Yeah, with a both eggplants. It's 20 shades, but please, at least ready. Guys, I'm actually doing this. I think it's not really good. So please try it. And guys, please remember to subscribe. Please not to watch. Please get to 200 subscribers. remember, you guys are amazing, amazing. Yeah, so let's do that. I'm ready to Hey guys, so this is how the hair looks. It's practically like the next day. Well, you know, the lighting was getting dark, and so I had to switch the next day. So then I'm gonna lay my edges, and I'm using the styler. So I'm just going to go ahead now and accessorize. I've actually and put like one. If you're in Kenya, like 5 shillings for one. So yeah, go ahead and put them. At random. Yeah. Oh, I love this hair. I love this hair. It's amazing. Amazing. I love it. I love it so much. You can get it. You can get it, right? Thank you so much, guys, for your support. It means a lot. Please remember to subscribe. Please subscribe. Let us get to 200 subscribers. Yeah. Remember to follow at Sparkle Galore Kenya. I'll leave their Instagram and Facebook handle down below or in the description box so that you can follow and get these amazing earrings. Yeah, amazing earrings. So until next time, bye guys. Remember to stay safe. And guys, I love you. Love this hair. It's amazing. Subscribe. You're amazing for clicking this video. Please subscribe. And if you can get it, you can get it. I will be doing a very good of enthusiast. Hey. So guys, I've checked out. Jesus.